Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you through how to connect Stripe to Shopify. Let's dive right in. To begin the setup process, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your Shopify store, from adding products and managing inventory to fulfilling orders and tracking sales. Within your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. This section typically houses various configuration options for your store, including general settings, product and inventory settings, shipping and fulfillment settings, and of course, payment settings. Within Settings, you should find a section labeled Payments. This is where you can manage all aspects of how your customers will pay for products in your store. Here, you'll see a list of available payment providers, including credit card processors, alternative payment methods, and manual payment options. Here in Payments, click on the Manage button. Next, click on the Change Provider button. Again, click on the Choose Another Provider button. Now here you will find the payment providers that are available or unavailable in your region. In the search bar, type Stripe. From the payment providers, choose Stripe. You'll be redirected to a secure login page for Stripe. This ensures that your login credentials are being entered on Stripe's official website and not on a fraudulent page. Here, enter the email address and password associated with your Stripe account. Once you've entered your credentials, Stripe will prompt you to authorize the connection between your Stripe account and your Shopify store. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.